Fowler. 33 is an on-starter, 36 is Rod Barrett going first, 42 is Michael Malone on his own, not with Ross Hall, just Michael Malone is on 42. To start, 116 is not shown. I haven't got details of that car, I'm afraid. 221, Lee Dwyer on his own, and 309 is withdrawn. So the only question mark is over 116, Richard Kent. However, we've also got number 12, and that is Richard Kent. So Richard Kent goes first in that car, and it's being shared with Gary Pearson. It's a Lister Jaguar 3781 cc's. So that's the giving you who's driving what. It's helpful to know that. And the cars are probably somewhere with you, are they, Alistair?
Just coming back towards you,
no,
Ian.
Coming back towards me, aren't they now? Turning our attention to the screen. I didn't have a chance to give you the grid positions, but at the front row we had Roger Wills, number 24, Lotus 15, and 86, Chris Ward in the Lister Jaguar. And as they come out to complete that one, it's Roger Wills in the lead from Chris Ward and pulling away already from the Lister Jaguar. In third place is the number 8, Lister Jaguar of Tony Wood to begin with. And that'll be taken over by Will Nuttall. So that's a quick combination of drivers in that car in third place at the moment. Michael Gans, having had problems with his Lotus Elite, as Andrew told us, in fourth place, number 26, with his Lotus 15 now. And then behind him in fifth place is number 6 in the hands of James Cottingham. Number 6 being the Lister Chevrolet, as opposed to the Lister Jaguar, which the other Listers all have Jaguar engines. This one has a Chevrolet V8 engine in the front of it, and that is running in fifth place ahead of number 12, Richard Kent, waiting for his they take it over. Yesterday is being carried over into the early laps of this race. Both he and Chris Ward driving solo. Chris won this race last year, not in this Lister Jaguar, but in a costed-bodied Lister Jaguar. That's Andrew Picconi there, you can see in the number 51, Lotus 11. Now that is at the moment running in 11th place and second in the class, SMT4, to the Rick Bourne, number 11. Lotus 11, they're not going to be seen in Lotus 10, and we've already seen them in the Lotus 10 later. So that's a battle to watch. And there we've got the Cooper Monaco mixed in with the number 3 of Andrew Guy Smith at the moment. And they're being challenged by the Lola from behind, which is the... Yeah, that's the... Well, you've got them already all with you, Alistair, I think, haven't you? That group of cars I'm talking about.
Yes, the leader unchanged. Second place, Chris Ward, still the same, but changes going on just behind them. So in third place is Tony Wood. Fourth is now the number 6 car of James Cottingham. And back to fifth place goes Michael Gans in the Lotus 15.
And then this battle of Lolas, the smaller capacity cars, Ben Adams in that mix as well. Andrew Picconi, Ben Adams as well. Mr. Jaguar, number 8. Running pretty close together. Not that far up the road ahead of them either is Chris Ward in his Mr. Jaguar. But Roger Wills at the moment running away with the race, the New Zealander. Second, Chris Ward through Abbey here. And then third, number 8, Tony Wood. And closing on is James Conningham in the Lister Chevrolet. Then the next group headed by Michael Gans in the number 26, Lotus 15, followed by the number 12, Lister, with Richard Kent at the wheel of the costume body Lister. And then in 7th place, number 66 is the Cooper Monaco, started by Justin Bears.
Those cars all in the arena section, and the leader, of course, is already on the way down the Wellington Straight, Roger Wills. But as you say, the third place car of Tony Wood being caught by James Contingham as they head down under the bridge.
Martin Straight, I think, has now worked his way past that group of small massive cars. Quite a lot of the races you might expect in the USA. Still ahead as they come up past the pits in third place then. James Conningham still ahead of Tony Wood. Michael Gans in his Lotus 15, number 26. In 6th place, number 12, Richard Kent's costume on the list.